What could be the cause of low hot water pressure?
Hello and welcome to today's video. We're going to explore an issue that can be a real bother at home: low hot water pressure. Whether it's affecting your showers, your washing, or your dish cleaning, it's a problem you'll want to solve. So today, we'll dive into the possible causes of low hot water pressure and what might be happening in your system.
Is it just the hot water?
First, it's important to identify whether the issue is only with the hot water. If you're noticing low pressure in both hot and cold water, then the problem is likely with your main water supply. However, if it's just the hot water, then the issue is likely related to your water heater system.
Could your water heater be at fault?
A common reason for low hot water pressure is a problem with the water heater itself. Sediment buildup in the tank can reduce the amount of water the heater can hold, hence reducing the water pressure. Additionally, if your water heater is old, it may simply be wearing out and not functioning as effectively as it once did.
Is there a problem with your pipes?
Another cause could be a problem with the pipes leading from your water heater. Corrosion inside the pipes can restrict water flow and hence reduce pressure. Also, if there's a leak somewhere in your hot water pipes, that could be reducing the pressure you see at your faucets or shower heads.
Are your valves fully open?
Sometimes, the issue is quite simple. Check the shut-off valves on your hot water heater. If they're not fully open, they could be reducing the flow of water and hence the pressure. Make sure the valves are completely open for maximum water flow. There can be a few different causes of low hot water pressure in your home, from sediment in your water heater, to corroded pipes, to partially closed valves. But once you've identified the problem, you're well on your way to getting it fixed. Thanks for watching this video. We hope it's been helpful in understanding why you might be experiencing low hot water pressure. Until next time, stay warm and stay informed.